morning everybody. I am Divya here from Sharada Teachers Training Institute, and here we teach our trainee teachers, the students, what the pre-writing skills are. The pre-writing skills, of course, there are so many activities which are already shown, but this is one specifically close to the writing. Before teaching proper alphabet or letters, what we do is we ask them to write strokes, lines, curves and all. So before that, even we can do one thing is we can make a pre-writing activity which will be more interesting for the kids and they will be familiar with the strokes and lines. So this is one activity what we have here. You can see there are various types of lines. So if you asked, we have to ask that the owl has to reach the tree, right? So first thing, we have some shells here. You can ask the children, they are smaller in size, so they will have that grip on the shell. They can pick the shell and keep it accordingly on the curved line where they are making the owl reach its home. So here, when they keep it, when they follow the line and keep the shells accordingly, this activity helps them again with finger grip and hand and eye coordination, and of course it is also supporting them to understand the sequence, like how the owl has to reach the home, and they can even understand that what is a curved line, which is very important while writing. Second curved line, if you see here, it is like bit curvy zigzag line. It is not a proper zigzag, but it's a curvy zigzag line. For that we can use other item other than shells. There are some buttons here. If you see, normal cloth button, we can ask them to just pick one by one, and when I'm picking, you can see that how my index and thumb finger, which is very important for writing, is used and how it is properly placed on the zigzag line. This is the way how we can again ask them to concentrate and place it very properly where they are making the owl to reach the house here. This is second activity. Talking about the third one, again we can see this is a proper zigzag line which we can use like the ice cream sticks here, which you can ask the kids to place it with the same color. They have to make the pyramid of the same color. For example, this is the orange pyramid, then you have the green one on top of the line, sort of tracing it, and then comes your blue mountain. So this is also one of the activity where the owl is reaching the tree in a zigzag way. This is one thing. Now, if you see the last one, where it is going in a twisted way to the house. The owl wants to reach in a twisted way to the house. So we can also use watercolors for that. If you dip the butts, you can give the butt. This is more crucial because shells were little broader, buttons were also little broader. This were the broadest, the ice cream sticks. But this is like properly holding a pencil. So when you ask the child to dip it in the color and then just ask them to dab it to the way. So this will again help them to concentrate. Eye-hand coordination is there, and the grip is more proper to writing. Same way how they are going to hold the pencil. So this is the last final activity what you can go for, where they can concentrate with writing purpose.